consultation. So that is participation as well. Participation through consultation processes.
घंटों में उसको बांट दिया गया है। हमने जब एक पूरा प्रशिक्षण लिया तो उसके जरिए पता चला कि हम कहीं ना कहीं आपकी आ जाती है जो अजीत का वाला प्रोग्राम है ट्रेनिंग की और
which has computer, which has internet, has used on this front together. But like I said, other stakeholders together. We'll talk about that a little further. Two, building a structure for self-regulation and an ethical code and ethical process. What constitutes an unethical process for this much, etc., etc.
Thank you, Jayalakshmi. May I request you to please welcome now? May I now request Mr. Vinod Pavarala to come on to the dais. Vinod is going to moderate a group which is on sustainability model. He is currently...
Those things he has framed it from his experience that even in a music show, somebody, an RJ making a statement could also result in things that would hurt an entire community. He may have said it like live on the go without understanding that he is not sensitized enough. If it hurts somebody's sentiment, then there is a mechanism. People can actually complain to the ministry directly.
Set up that mechanism.
So we need to, what he is saying is from his experience, when you are drawing your CR framework, please not and say, I feel this was objectionable.
I mean, so that has to be, that's the first step. I think PR stations themselves start that mechanism. You start announcing to your community that if there is something that you find objectionable,
Correct.
you can call into us, you can write into us.
Correct.
So आप उसको वो mechanism आप set up करेंगे अपने स्टेशन में तभी वो
कुछ चीजें ऑल इंडिया रेडियो की जो हैं लेकिन कुछ चीजें ऑल इंडिया रेडियो की बहुत अच्छी वो मैं आपको बता दूं हमारे यहाँ रेडियो में हाँ ऑल इंडिया रेडियो में ये होता है कि रोज सवेरे एक मीटिंग होती है जिसमें रिव्यू मीट्स एवरी डे डिस्कसेस एंड ड्रॉ अ लाइन वेयर टू गो वेयर नॉट टू गो you can discuss the program which are going on air or you can review the program which is already on. If this mechanism you follow, I think this can take care of it.
We are following it right from the day one.
Yeah. No, I'm...
Yes.
अगर इंफॉर्मेशन है तो आप उसको स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं. न्यूज़ ऑलरेडी बन चुकी है उसके बाद भी आप कर सकते हैं बट जैसे सर ने कहा कि न्यूज़पेपर नहीं है वहाँ पे या वहाँ वो फलाना इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो आपको ये सोचना है कि वहाँ पर पब्लिक को क्या बताना है. आपके पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कि टुडेज मीन्स इतिहास में आज का दिन टुडेज क्या क्या हुआ आज तो दैट इज़ नॉट ए न्यूज़. आप जस्ट स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं कि आज इंडिया में क्या हुआ था आज के दिन कौन से फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे कौन से क्या किसने क्या किया था. अब आप ये बताएंगे ईरान ने तेल सप्लाई बंद कर दी दैट इज़ नॉट रिलेवेंट. न्यूज़ में ये भी है कि ईरान ने आज तेल सप्लाई बंद कर दी बट उससे पब्लिक को क्या आपकी जो कम्युनिटी है उसको क्या मतलब है. तो मेन चीज़ ये है कि आपको उसमें जो न्यूज़पेपर है या कुछ है उसमें आपको मान लीजिए कुछ अगर होने वाला है आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी से मिली है तो आप उसको बता सकते हैं ये डिजास्टर होने वाला है या आज ये हुआ था तो उससे भी पब्लिक अवेयरनेस हो सकती है.
अच्छा मेरा ये in front of you in the broadcast area. That was her first recommendation. Her second recommendation was that since we work with communities that are going out in the sea for fishing, it's important that we be allowed to do at least weather information. And to that, Vipin said that now why should you wait for 7 o'clock bulletin? You can use any internet related any information that you have.
Agriculture information
Agriculture information and will can also be given. The third she said was regarding comedy. I mean, somebody mentioned about comedy should be allowed and comedy we can run, that's one format. But she said, please, comedy is a structure that often is derogatory to women. Please don't air anything that is derogatory to women. And to that, there was a correction point that she made out. She said, don't say women only, say gender sensitive. Well, it should not be derogatory to say transgender community. That
already I have come to our station. I'm open to anybody coming to my station and see what I'm
I would like to have some suggestions for him, but outside the forum, I have some suggestions.
2 मिनट में समाप्त करना चाहता हूँ कि है क्या कि इनकी एक स्कूल है स्कूल के एनजीओ के थ्रू इन्होंने परमिशन लिया था. आरटीआई वाले इनके हर एक पूरी फाइल की कॉपी मांगा. हमने डिनाई किया एज पर 8D सेक्शन ऑफ आरटीआई उसके बाद एक शैलेश गांधी बैठे हैं एज ए इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर. He is very RTI activist. I regard him, but he allowed all the files of the government. Whatever files you have, even secret you have, his secret nature of image information, he said no, this is not secret, this is public, you give. Then after his judgment, I gave all the files to the his petitioner. Now he was again not satisfied and again filed next 3 times he filed, and 4th time he filed to another person.
To receive his colleague.
Same information from. So I think you will also face the same. But
it is substantially financed by the government.
वही तो
Then
बोला
it is public authority.
Public,
So if you the organization
वही
may
तो
be
बोला,
government or NGO,
अरे!
if you are getting more than 50% of your annual receipt from government, then you are public authority. And if you are not a public authority and getting at a application, you have no right to transfer it to a public authority. You can reject in
Reject.
your with
Reject or
the public authority.